Hello everyone, let's make some cookie ice cream, shall we? So over here I have my cookies. I'm using the Oreo cookies. You can switch up the Oreos with another type of cookie that you have in the house. It can be homemade, yeah. So to my big bowl, I'm going to add in 2 cups of whipping cream. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and then I'm going to whip up my whipping cream until hard peaks. To make this cookie ice cream, you won't be needing any ice cream machine. All you need is a hand mixer that is going to come in handy. So this is how hard peaks look like. To my whipping cream, I'm going to be adding in condensed milk, which I bought at the supermarket. You can find the condensed milk at any well-stocked supermarket. So this is going to add in sweetness to my whipping cream. That is 1 cup of condensed milk, and then I'm going to fold into the whipping cream. Once done mixing up my condensed milk into the whipping cream, I'm going to pick a parchment paper, and then I'm going to place in my cookies. And then I'm going to fold over. And using a rolling pin, I'm going to break down the cookies. So it's easier this way because there won't be any utensils to wash. Otherwise you can use a food processor to break down the cookies. I find this way easier. Transfer to my bowl, and then I'm going to fold in the cookies. Just look at that. This is going to be so delicious. Once combined, I'm going to transfer the whipping cream in a container. Level up. Cover with a cling film. And then I'm going to refrigerate my ice cream overnight. So I'll see you tomorrow. My Oreo ice cream is ready and it's looking totally amazing. I'm going to serve myself some and enjoy. So I hope you try out this amazing Oreo cookie ice cream.